this video, I will explain what happens when you cannot upload an attachment or save it to your OneDrive. So, I'm Paul Keizers. I help businesses with Microsoft Teams, SharePoint and Copilot for a living. That's why you can be sure that after watching this video, you will know what is happening and how to solve it. Yeah, let's jump into it. I actually have here Adele. I already have 2 attachments. So here's an attachment with a picture. And normally what you do is you directly go here to this drop down, and then you can say save to OneDrive. Now you see at this moment it's working perfectly fine. So this is the default way. But there's something happening in the background. For this, we are going to go to the OneDrive. And here you have the 9 dots. Then I go to OneDrive. And if I go to My Files, then you see that there's a new folder, or 1 minute ago, that is made called attachments. So your attachments are actually saved on your OneDrive in the folder attachments. Now what I've seen with some people is that they think, okay, I don't need this folder, and that's similar to all the other folders, and they just click delete. So here I go, delete, and now it's in the recycle bin, luckily. So now I get a second attachment, and I think, okay, I want to save this one as well. So I go here to the same procedure, save to OneDrive, and it says the file could not be saved. So what happened? Well, I just showed you what happened. So we go back to the OneDrive, and we see that this attachment folder is missing. So if you delete this attachment folder, you can no longer save documents from your OneDrive, from your Outlook to OneDrive. So how to resolve it? Well, I truly hope that you still have this recycle bin and that it's still in your recycle bin. What we are going to do is we are going to click on this and we are going to restore it. So that means that now it's restored. And of course, I can remove this picture within the attachment folder. That's no problem. So here I go and I delete this one. But now when I try again and I click on save to OneDrive, you see it's saved to OneDrive. And if we go back to the My Files, I refresh this page, we will see that the image is loaded there. So this is a small tutorial, but I think it's really worth a while watching, and especially because you have also Teams chat files. If you delete those folders, it could end up in a problem. So please leave those folders alone and only use them, the items you save there, delete them there. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. And I hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching.